So today we are going to do an unboxing of the Jade Roller Natural Precious Jade Stone. We are going to see how well it works at rolling. And as you can see, when we open this up, we get this little booklet of how to use it. Very useful. The paper is quite thick and hard to bend or break, so that's really good. As you can see, there's a card that says quality assurance card. You open it up, there's a little thank you and a surprise gift. You email this address right here to claim your surprise gift. And as you can see, there's a little jade stone right here. It has good qualities and it's high quality. It's a nice weight and hard to break. And as you can see right here, this is the jade roller from a nice plastic and it's protected by this foam. Let's go see how well it can roll. It rolls right off the bat pretty well. So flip it over. There we go. Very reflective and pretty, and it rolls pretty well. So smooth and glossy. You can see how this can be exfoliating. It feels very nice on the skin on both ends. So yeah, this is a really high quality product and I would recommend this to anyone who's looking for a jade roller stone. The link to this product is in the description, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful and entertaining. Bye for now.